In this video, we will explore how to perform molecular docking using Vina and Raccoon on BOINC Central.
So what is BOINC?
BOINC is an open-source middleware system that enables volunteers to contribute computing power to scientific research projects. It allows researchers to harness the processing capabilities of thousands of computers worldwide for large-scale computations. As a high-performance volunteer computing platform, BOINC brings together thousands of volunteer participants employing hundreds of thousands of active computers worldwide. BOINC development began with a group based at the Space Sciences Laboratory at the University of California, Berkeley, and led by David Pope Anderson. BOINC Central is a web-based platform designed to simplify the management and execution of distributed computing projects, such as molecular docking simulations. It provides an intuitive interface for submitting, monitoring, and analyzing computational tasks across multiple computers. BOINC Central is free to use, and it allows researchers to leverage the power of distributed computing to perform complex simulations and analyses that would be infeasible on a single machine. Visit the BOINC Central website and create a free account. This will allow you to access the platform and submit your molecular docking tasks. You will be asked to provide some additional information, such as the research you are doing, that allows us to filter out spam accounts. If you prefer to use a graphical interface for submitting Vina jobs, you can use Raccoon. Raccoon is a user-friendly tool that simplifies the process of preparing and reviewing Vina receptors and ligands. Unfortunately, Raccoon does not support submitting jobs to BOINC Central directly, but for your convenience, we have made a plugin that allows you to submit Vina jobs to BOINC Central directly from Raccoon. To install the plugin, you need to have Raccoon2 1.5.7 installed and the plugin downloaded from the BOINC GitHub. You can find all the links in the description. Then, navigate to the Raccoon installation folder and place the files from the downloaded archive there. Finally, you can install the plugin using the command shown in the tutorial. Keep in mind that the commands are different for Linux, macOS, and Windows, and on Windows you additionally need to run the command line with administrator privileges. Launch Raccoon again and authenticate with your BOINC Central account. Prepare a receptor and ligand files. Archives with sample receptor and ligand files are available on the wiki page linked in the description. In the ligands window, select your folder with ligand files. In the receptors window, select your folder with receptor files. In the config window, select the desired configuration. In the job manager window, verify the number of tasks created. Keep in mind that BOINC creates a job for every pair of ligand and receptor files. Then, just press the Submit button. After submitting your jobs, you can monitor their progress on the BOINC Central website. After a batch is completed, you can download the results in the Job Manager window for further analysis with Raccoon. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other tutorials that you might find useful. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from BOINC Central.